Good morning. I will be talking about a tool in Zemax that is underutilized is a part designer, which is a tool that allows you to create simple CAD objects right within the Zemax. For example, we can add the sketch here and create a triangle. Now we can choose any point. We can set its position as we want. We can rename it to, let's just call it test for now, and expose it. Exposing point, and you can expose any point on your sketch and on your object, means when you add this object later into your component editor, you can use these values as variables. So you can use this point, this position, as variable and change the shape or change the scale, for example, of this object. So, but for now, we only have two-dimensional triangle, so it's not that much of a CAD object. However, then you can go to script modes, and all of the syntax is available in the menu. But here we can extrude, sketch 1 with draft angle of 0 and depth of 1. And here we have a prism. So if you want to quickly create, for example, a beam splitter, you can just build two prisms, put them together, and here you go. Of course, there is a number of already pre-existing examples, and some of them can be quite complex CAD objects, and technically you should be able to create them as well using this part designer. It can be not as easy as do it in CAD. However, again, you can expose points and make them controllable.